Rolls Royce Phantom, the zenith of luxury on four wheels. The Rolls Royce Phantom, a name that doesn't just suggest luxury but practically takes you by the hand and walks you through a diamond-encrusted hallway of opulence. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling declaration of excessive affluence. Imagine you're a medieval king. The Phantom is your throne on wheels, and every outing feels like a victory parade. Enter this chariot and you're greeted with the sort of craftsmanship that would make Michelangelo weep. The leather is softer than a whisper in a church. The wood paneling, polished to a level of sheen usually reserved for top-tier Rolexes, looks like it could recount epochs of human history. Everything is bespoke. Every knob, button, and lever exudes a level of handcrafted excellence that's simply staggering. Fire up the Phantom's unimaginably smooth 6.75-liter V12 engine, and you don't just hear it, you feel it. Or rather, you don't feel anything at all because the ride is so sublimely tranquil. It's akin to floating on a cloud. This armada of luxury moves with a grace that's more ballet dancer than motorcar. It seems to glide over the road, unaffected by potholes and imperfections, as if the tarmac itself bows down to the majesty of its presence. And oh, the quiet, the kind of silence you get in a Phantom could rival any top-tier soundproof panic room. You see, regular cars insulate you from the world. The Phantom isolates you in such extravagance that you're half expecting tea and crumpets to materialize in the cup holders. The backseat experience is like being ensconced in a cocoon of comfort. You're seated on upholstered thrones while massage settings knead away any semblance of stress. And let's not overlook the Starlight headliner, a diorama of twinkling lights in the roof that replicates the night sky. Who needs astronomy when you've got a Phantom? But let's take a moment to discuss the sheer absurdity of its price. We're talking figures that would make an oil sheik choke on his caviar. This is a car that starts at around $350,000, and that's before you've added the custom paint job mixed with unicorn tears or the dashboard inlaid with the bones of compromised extinct animals. It's preposterous, and yet entirely justified, because Rolls-Royce has made opulence its business model. Yet, the Phantom isn't a car for those who simply want to travel from A to B. It's for those who want to announce their arrival with a fanfare of trumpets. It's for those who revel in the knowledge that their door handles probably cost more than an average family sedan. This car doesn't just make a statement, it reads out the entire chapter in an audiobook narrated by David Attenborough. In the Rolls-Royce Phantom, you don't just own the road, you rule it. Every journey is an exercise in ostentatious gallantry, a testament to human ingenuity and a little bit of madness. It is, in every sense, the zenith of automotive luxury. Fancy more tales of automotive splendor? Do us a solid and smash that like button. Subscribe to Auto Icons and be part of our journey through the legends of the motoring world. Hit the bell icon too, and we'll make sure you never miss out on our next luxurious adventure.